No data. Okay. What do you mean no data? Am I live? I mean, I'm live. Can I increase the bitrate? So output. I can increase the bitrate. I'm gonna increase it to like 8,000 because it was a bit blurry the other day. So I think. Wait, what? I think we're good. So I'm trying to set up my Obsidian for this programming thing. Type. It's not a root one, it's just data view. So I can just delete this. And then there's control. It's just nothing. So my pen date is the 24th of 01. Oh, yes, of 31. Very fitting. I don't need to include this now because I know what's that. I know how to use it now. So I'm just gonna go for C folder. C insert programming. No, it's not that. Wait a fucking second first. First of all, let me just CIW data view. So let me go to Firefox. Key display for Windows. F. That's it. Yet another key display. Is there an alternative? Key press display overlay. FSS. Nice. I think it's nice. But I will like to be archived. Okay. FG. Oh, it was a nice thing. Okay, I will have to check. There was another one that had an exe. I'm just gonna search for GitHub essay GitHub key overlay P3. Oh. You know what? Let's just use. For the moment, let's just use this. So FP F what? No, FP. No. What the fuck am I doing? FE. Okay, good. Now we just need to install this piece of crap. I mean, it's not piece of crap, but I don't. Why? It's free software. Browse this PC and then local D, my programs. We have another key display here. Next, did I create shortcuts? Next. Finish. Yeah, I need to run it. So cycle cleaner, yes. Okay. So how do I? Oh, it's here. I want to increase the opacity. How do I increase the size of it? Whoa. Okay, this is better. The font I'm gonna choose, you know, this. So there should be a delay. I'm just gonna put it at 50 milliseconds, 100 milliseconds. Okay. Show demo keys. Okay. Sure. Background color. It's gonna be. Oh, what the fuck is this? Why does not? Okay, this works. So I'm at the font size. I'm gonna go for. So 18 seems good. Font color. Okay. Tracking mouse. What do you mean tracking mouse? Oh, it tracks the mouse. Okay. What do you mean? I need to just show. So yeah, it shows my mouse what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, I'll close this. Fuck am I doing, bro? Okay. Why is Steam open? I was playing. That's why. Yes, I want to run this. Okay, I'm just gonna put it. Can I just? Can I how do you say? Can I put it here in the pop-up thing? I can't. I think. Let's just forget about this for the moment, and then let's just continue with our project. So where were we? So Shift G, no, GG, Shift V, and then delete this. Okay, so we have this. Now you can actually see my keybinds, what I'm pressing, like, very nice, it's really nice. So if I do 1, if I do 3, and then I'm just gonna quit this. C programming folder, I'm gonna add the data view. So data view, and then table, not tag. Why do I need tag? Wait a fucking second. Oh, I need the tag. Okay, so tag and status. Status is important for me. Type and then date. From from what? So from what I can see, it's wait. I can do this. I didn't know I can do this. Control Shift B. So Control Shift B. I didn't know I can do this. So insert learning C programming language. If I can type, and that's it. Thank. So it's data view. Okay, where file.name is not equal to not Python. So C data view. So there's nothing. And then sort by file.name as so ascending order. Now we are gonna create a C basics folder, data view, and then I'm just gonna leave that blank for the moment. I'm gonna create the new folder right here. So C basics. How did I call it? C basics. Wait, where did it go? Okay, fuck this. So I called it C basics. So C basics. That's basics. Oh fuck! It already created it. I was like, so that's C basics. So if I do C basics, so table, same fucking stuff. So I just wait. What the fuck? Just break. What the fuck? I'm pressing escape. I can't move. First time this is happening to me. Good, good, good. Shift G. Shift G. What the fuck is happening? I can't even undo Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Control S. Close this. I don't want to touch anything. I'm just gonna restart it. What? Oh, it's on fucking. Obviously, my caps lock was on. I don't have a. My keyboard does not have a display. My keyboard does not have a display to show that caps lock is on. So that's why, like, it was fucking itself. So learning C program, C base, data view, and then the school, and then the data view. So from what I can see is I can now do this. So if a caps lock is involved, it's gonna fucking fuck with it. Oh, okay, now I know. So I can just copy this and I yank this and should paste this here, and then do the same for here. So Control D, Python basics folder. So if I know what I'm doing, so it's gonna be, so instead slash C basics. Control Shift B. C basics. Now there's nothing to show. Yes. C data view. I mean, this is not necessary. What was noob obsidian user? What was I doing back then? The fuck, man. This reduces the undo. This reduces the amount of wait, what? Undo. What is that? Wait, what? Array. Searching data view unrecognized folder. Obviously it's gonna be unfucking recognizable. I didn't know that was there. No. Delete this. Delete this. Need to be done. Yeah, I have not done this. I'm fucking lazy. Yes. Random program code. So random program code is on hold. If I do Control T and then Control G, this is like basics. And then where's my Python HSC folder? So if I do Python HSC, there's all of this file connected to it. There are 10 files. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What? No, the basics folder, yeah. The 20. Let me just count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, you could say there's 20 files. I got 19, I think, because I mean HSC data view is an actual file, but I'm just not hiding it. I'm just not showing it. So it's good. Very good. Very good. Yes, very good. Very good. So where was I? Oh, I've not, bruv. I'm for the moment I'm liking my JetBrains mono font. Mono. I don't need a mono, so I'm just gonna remove this mono. JetBrains node font, and then I'm just gonna place it here. I like this font basically. Trying to say. So did it actually change? I don't know if it's actually changed. I think it changed. The thing is, I'm on a fucking so display settings. Display setting. My actual I don't, this is my native resolution. I'm upscaling it in a way. So like everything is fucking blurry because this monitor is so fucking old that I'm still using it though. So I can't do anything about that. It's just blurry and I can't like see if it's actually changed or anything. So from what I can see is I need to start this basics folder, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna add file Python C basics. So C basics, because in the basics folder here I have Python language. Okay, so Python language. I need to create a fucking so create a new file. So I'm just gonna create it. So C language. Okay. You know what? Wait, C basics folder is not like C basics. Oh yes, I need to put it in the. Oh no. C language. Yes. What? What the fuck? Huh? Save that fucking thing, bro. Okay, it saves. So C language. I'm gonna. Where did my array thing go? Bruh. No, I don't need another. Oh, C data. Where did C data view go? So programming language and the C language, C basics. So I can now actually see this. Are you fucking joking me? So what was this tag? So wait a second. I don't understand. So insert alias, and then I'm gonna say C programming. Wait, just go in here. Then C programming, C language / basics. So tag, and then not Python, C, and then basics, and then author is going to be my, and then the type is going to be basics, and then the date is going to be 2024-01, no, 01-31, so it should be like this. And then the status, I'm gonna say status is going to be in that fucking progress. I have so I can now close this for the moment, and I can see that yeah, everything is working as expected. I'm gonna fucking sort by, not by file name, but by date. And also wait, let me just, so I've been sorting them by file name for whatever fucking reason. Can I just date, and I just say date here, because date is 16th of age. It seems to be good. this is not good. So I need to, instead of yank this, instead of sorting it by file name, I need to be sorting. But if I paste this, yeah, it's in the registry. Control V, Control V, delete, undo, 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 undo. Shift V, yank this, paste this here, paste this here, paste this here, paste this here, paste this here. So now we can have paste this here, delete, control U, control U, control U. Yo, my display. Now we can just go to this. As I can see now, I can now get it right. I have it right now. Yeah, because there's nothing there. Okay, I need to make a backup of this first before I continue anything else, because I'm fucking scared. And I have a private repository where I keep this also, but I'm not gonna fucking tell you anything. So Windows M, Windows E, Windows E. That's it. Okay. Wait, why is it bugging? So Obsidian. So I can now delete this, and then oh no. Wait, what the fuck am I doing? Exit, not exit, eject. Save to remove this fucking hardware, and then I can just like you know, go back to where was I. I'm gonna be sending my friend a fucking this. I'm gonna be sending my friend this. Basically, it's a YouTube video downloader. Not YouTube, but it converts the YouTube to MP3 format, and then where's it? YT to MP3. This one I made by copying copying someone else's code. Wait. So I can now just, is my stream working? I've not coded a bit, I'm just configuring everything because I'm such a fucking noob. So if I do this now, and I do programming C basic C language, and then we can start.
Here's an interruption from Future Bro. I traveled from the future to the past to deliver you this message. So, if you need to install GCC on a Mac operating system, what you're going to do within a terminal window is enter the following command: clang version. If clang isn't installed, enter the following command: xcode doc gcc w64
This he uses the HHKB keyboard. Yes. No, that's not him. The C++. C++. So where is Wikipedia? By the guy. This guy uses the HHKB keyboard. Known for. Oh, it's the compiler. Oh, it's a GNU compiler collection. Now I know what it is. I always say GCC. I never know what GCC actually means. So GNU. But then what's graph? What's GNU? GNU Linux. Oh, it's just GNU. Yeah, it's just Linux. God damn. Who came up with this? Fucking hell, bro. So what is C? General purpose. If I can type. Computer. It's not a high level language. Undo. Like I'm trying to figure out, like I know what to say, like but I don't know how to write it. For example, a compiler. Every time you need to compile, and then, for example, if I make changes to the like little hello, well, I need to compile it again. But for interpreter, I mean, it reads line by line. So, I'm gonna have problems. It seems to me that the code is translated into machine code line, control B, line by line. Both translators have their benefits, and both translators have their benefits. Translators have their benefits. Point. Interpreters are used during the writing phase of the writing phase, while compiler are used to translate the whole code after writing the writing process has finished. In check the benefits. Go check online for more information. Like for example, what I mean, I know what I'm like. The thing is, can you hear me? Yes. Like interpreter translate line by line in the code. So if it encounters an error, meaning that if it encounters an error, I get it will stop as soon as it encounters that error. But the compiler does not. The compiler will not stop and will create a list, like an error list, basically. So it will finish. It will compile it. It will compile with all of its errors and everything. So in terms of the writing process, you use the interpreter by compilers. So during the writing process, you use the interpreter, while because also the interpreter, you can still see the source code, and you can like make changes to it very quickly. While if you use a compiler, you will have an .exe file, as I said from the above, meaning that if you want to make changes to it, you can't get the source code with the .exe, obviously, because you can, like, I'm saying. I know you understand. I think you understand what I'm trying to say. So like both have their benefits and drawbacks. So it's just insert and drawbacks. And also interpreter uses less memory because it's translating line by line, and for example, if it encounters an error, it just stops, so it uses less memory. While a compiler, if you're like translating like a big fucking 1 million lines of code, it still will translate all of this piece of shit. So basically the compiler uses a lot of more memory and RAM compared to the fucking interpreter. So in a way, I like interpreter more. I like interpreted languages, like translated by interpreter more. But because I need to learn C for I need to learn C. I think that is the thing. Should I master Python and learn everything about Python, or should I just like do a bit of this, get good at C, do a bit of Python, get good enough, do a bit of C, get good enough, do a bit of C++, get good enough? I think both have, and again, both have their benefits, both have their advantages, but I don't know. For the moment, I'm just playing because I don't know. But it's good to have it in my repertoire. Like, for example, I know if something is not working there, I can just quickly translate that part into Python and see if it works. So I think it's a good, become a master of none, jack of all trade, master of none, in that way, in that sense. Yeah, where was I? It does not procedural, and yeah, it does not have object oriented programming. Warning. Warning. Is it like this? So if I do no. So does C has object oriented? Yes, it's not an object-oriented language. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write C is control undo. C is not an control I object oriented programming language, meaning that we cannot do OOP. To do that, we will require C sharp. Does wait F SA does F SA fucking F SA F SA does C++ have OOP? Is an object-oriented programming language. That is the only thing I know about C++ and C. The differences. So we're gonna do it. Hence we will need to use C++. So C++, insert C++. So FSA C++ Wikipedia. So we can now do SG, and then so F. No, I can't. Control E. What? No. So I can't do this now. Yo. Sheesh. Didn't know that existed. So Control C, Control V, and then we have this. So we'll need to continue. We will have to continue now. So Control W, and then yeah, I think that's good. Control 2. So Control 2. Yeah. Left control. Fucking. Yeah. Who created Python? Who I can just Control H here, and then C programming language. So Control H again to close this. Control H. Yeah. Close this. Who is the creator? The creator was let's see. Created. Where was created? Where was C created? Bell Laboratories in 1962. So Informatica Wisconsin. So created at, so control B, created on. When was Python created? So I can just close this out. 20th. Wait, what? 72. Okay, that's a long gap. I mean, it's you know, February. February of 2024. I don't know how to type. 2024, bruh. What the fuck am I doing? Delete and then 1991. So when was, so I can alt tab SA, when was C created? So just 1992. So the exact date we don't have. Okay. Why don't we have the exact date? Creator of Python. So append creator of C. So what? Control B, name, and then append control B, created at, and then control B, created on, and okay, created at this, and then so the name of the creator is control did I wait fucking second. Okay, Guido van Rossum. So I need this. I need this again. Oh no. GF. So I just need to copy this. Control V. Okay. Dennis Ritchie. So Control V and then this. So if I can click on this, it will auto dive. Yes, it's good. And then created at Control V at Bell Laboratories, and then on the 19th of 72. I don't know what year. When was what created? When? What month was C created? We don't have the actual, like, oh, it's period. Bell Telephone Laboratories. Bell Telephone Laboratories, because it says here. So that's good. I think what can C do? Oh, it's used to develop internet browsers and the extensions. I don't know that. Yeah, I know, making other programming languages and stuff. So I can do what can C do? What the fuck? Okay, so we can do creating and maintaining maintaining internet routine internet of internet of things. No. Control Z this and then internet of things. Internet of things. Was it Internet of Things? Internet of Things. So Control C. Individually addressed. Okay. Append and then do this. Developing compilers, and then we can say the creating more at high level languages, programming languages like Python. So I have a document in my thing where to media folder. I think it's a media folder, and then where is it? So Python and then JavaScript. So JavaScript. So JavaScript, and then yeah, that's it. Okay, I think it's good. Yeah, we need to start by comment how to comment thing in. I think it's slash dot slash, I think, something like that. So if I bring up my, I want to do it in terminal. I don't want to do it in. I don't want to do it in VS Code. I want to do it in NeoVim and basically use NeoVim and terminal. So if I do nvim c.c, for example, I don't know, insert include studio.h to import that fucking library, int main, and then again, oh, undo, int main, and then just say, what the fuck is this? And then we say printf hello world, and then dash n, so return 0, and then we do this. Outputs hello world. What the fuck? World GCC. Oh, yeah, it's do it's 2 slashes. So if I do, for example, we have save this space ft, so we say GCC GCC dash o code c.c dir dot slash code. Fuck you command prompt. Fuck you command prompt. So dot code hello world. So now if I do this, if I do print f, and then I do fuck you Microsoft dash n, return this. Now if I write this and I say it's gonna be this, so I need to say GCC, no, like that, GCC main.o. Okay, so GCC dash code c.c, and then if I do dot slash code, it's gonna say fuck you Microsoft. Now let's try one more thing. Print f fuck you command prompt dash n. Let's not add this for now. Let's just say it's what happens if we do it. Now, so if I do this, it's gonna say the same thing. Now if I do this and then run this again, so it's gonna fuck you command prompt hello world, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna exit out of this, wq clear rmc.c and rmcode.exe. That's clear. So I need to basically, instead of pressing Control Alt N, I have to run the GCC. You know what? For fucking learning sake, I'm just gonna fucking use VS Code. It's just fucking simpler. Wait, what does this do? Presented the link of the video. I don't have PyTube. What do you mean PyTube? Control sys. Problems. Missing imports. Import PyTube. Oh fuck. It doesn't have PyTube. Python. Help modules. Is this like this? Okay, it's good. I still don't remember. So PyTube, where are you, my fucking friend? No. We said E here. I don't have PyTube. Now I need to fucking go install PyTube. PyTube module installation. Installation of Python module, latest user, pip install free. So I need my fucking terminal right now. I need a fucking terminal. So if I do, I'm not using this. So if I do cd clear pip install PyTube free. Yes. It's downloading. Python.exe.exe-m pip install upgrade pip Windows M. I'm just gonna do this. Where is fucking this? Exit and then exit this piece of crap also. Now I'm just gonna do this again and then run this. Requirement already satisfied. Successfully installed pip. Huh? Successfully installed pip. Clear. I'm gonna exit out of this. Now if I do control this. Clear Python yt.py. Please enter the link of the video. For example, if I just enter a random, let me get a free and open source, free and for example this library. Control C. It's an HTTP. It's an error in self-shape. No, it doesn't work. Fuck this one. Like actually, I think it worked. So I can now close this. I installed PyTube for nothing. This is one. Okay. To comment a line in C, we will use the symbol. Was it a backslash? Or is it a slash twice? No, so we will use the symbol. So nowadays, motherfucker, usage. No, so it's tip. Oh no. So fuck. Control 2, Control 1, Control 2, Control J. So it's tip, and then I just want the usage, and then 1, and then so this here, and then this here. So I can add this. So it's yeah. To comment, so we'll use a symbol. Fucking yes. Simple C boilerplate. So the code is going to be the code below will is the simplest C code that I think has been written. It will display hello world. What the? So we can say C. Let's try to write it here itself. So if I do include, so include include, no, it's include st.h, and then int main, and then I'm just gonna open this like this, and then printf, and then so I'm just gonna write hello world, and then here return nothing, return 0, return 1 if there's something, return 0 if there's nothing. Okay. Because in Python it's the reverse. And also, why the fuck am I using Grovebox theme? Wanda Pro. This is the goat. The goat. The fucking goat. So what does we need to? Let's continue.
Install.exe.
Yeah, I have GCC installed. I don't
Paste
need
that file
WC.
And with that out of the preset, and you can change that here. First thing that we're going to include is a std for standard IO input output .h. This file contains some useful functions related to input and output, so we'll need that. Now the entry point of our program is the main function.
Chat.openai.com. Coding personal. Yeah, I had some problem running WSL. Fuck this. So what does include std standard IO input and output? Okay, now I know. Means in C. The fuck is a preprocessor? Oh, I forgot the dash, the backslash. Backslash n means new line. So, so it's a library. To include libraries. Line means so C and then include .h. Okay, so wait a fucking second. Now I'm just gonna go for Studio preprocessor. What is a preprocessor? What is include? What does include do? What is so include h does include means? So it is a preprocessor. So if I can preprocessor. No, it's a preprocessor. I can just control. I'm gonna take this. Let's just paste this here. Control V. If I just do here, I'm just gonna go here. Yeah. It's a preprocessor. So what does a preprocessor mean again? Computer program that modify the data to conform with the input requirements of another program. Okay. Preprocessor. And then tells the compiler, which tells the compiler to include this module or something like that. You could say library. But what? Set 1, 2, 3, 4. But CIW, what does include means? As you dumb fuck. What does the you dumb fuck? What does the word include Control Z, Control Z, Control Z again, Control I, Control U. Include means it will include, it will tell the preprocessor to add to include the content of a specified file. So what does which means? I knew I should be programming things instead of reading, instead of making these notes. I should be making projects, but I'm having fun right now. I'm not learning, I'm having fun by learning something. Okay, fuck you. Hey, what does scanf do? Huh. Okay, never heard of that. Said scanf here. What does that mean? Printf, scan. Oh, scanf. Oh, scan the input from the user. My fucking god! I just realized that. I think so. No, so FSA. What does scanf do in C? It inputs. Oh my fucking god, bro. So how to use the scanf? I don't understand a fucking thing. So scan reads a character which scan puts the read value at the address C. Oh, I see. Oh, it's an integer. How the fuck do you do a string then? A scan. No, it's scan. That is my fucking eyes, mate. Okay, I'm gonna try this later. So I can print and then print and okay, now I know. Little by little we're getting there. Okay, little by little. Okay, I'm fucking. To indicate successful program execution. Okay. Now, what does mean? It is the name of the header file to be included. This std io.h means control B, control I, a standard input slash output header. The angle brackets, so you have this and this, indicates that the file is a standard library header. Standard library header. Oh my fucking god, header point. Oh, so I wanted to have the function if I did it. Oh my fucking god. My fucking god. So like it's actually like medium level language. So I'm actually talking to the fucking computer in a way. What? No. It's weird. So from what I can like understand is that we have, for example, Python. Python is a like high level language. You know what I'm saying? Python is a high level language. So in a way, C is like below, which Python is made of a lot of abstraction, and in a way, Python is made using C, and C is like a closer level to machine code. It's not machine code because machine code is 11001111 and stuff like that, but it's closer to assembly. Again, assembly is not machine code. It's like, have you ever seen assembly? Assembly language. So ASM language. This is basically assembly. You can write this by hand. This is basically assembly. I mean, people used to code like this back in the day. It's ASM. So ASM
type int main, parentheses, curly braces. Anything within our main function is read procedurally, starting from the top and working its way down. So anything within this set of curly braces is within the main function. And at the end of our main function, we're going to add this statement, return 0, semicolon. A semicolon is used to terminate statements, kind of like a period at the end of a sentence. At the end of our main function, we have this return 0 statement. This returns the exit status of our program. We return a 0 if our program runs successfully with no errors. If there is an error, then we'll return a 1. So now we can add anything that we want within this main function, but we'll need return 0 at the end to check for any errors. So let's print something to our console as output. So to display something, we're going to type printf parentheses semicolon because we end our statements with a semicolon. And within the parentheses, add a set of double quotes because we would like to literally print something. And you can type in whatever you want. Let's say, I like pizza. Then to run this code, you can either right click, then go to run code. Alternatively, there is a run code button in the top right corner of VS Code. So after running this code, this displays my output, I like pizza. So what if I would like to add a second line? Well, I would just follow these steps again. So I need another printf statement, printf, parentheses, semicolon. Any text I would like to display, I'll place that within a set of double quotes. This time, let's add a second line. I like pizza. It's really good. And then save. All right, and this is what this looks like. I like pizza. It's really good. So this is all one long line. What if I would like my second line of text on the next line? Well, I can add an escape sequence for a new line character. So at the end of my printf statement within the double quotes, I'll add \n for a new line character. And let's try that again. So I'm going to clear my output, make sure I save, and then run this again. I like pizza. It's really good. And then we have that extra space at the bottom because we added an additional new line character, which is optional. Also, take notice too that we have this message exited with code equals 0. So if there are no errors and your program runs successfully, this function will return 0. If there is an error, well then this will return 1. So let's misspell something. Let's say instead of printf, we just have print. So save and then run this again. Okay, it looks like we have an error. Exited with code equals 1. Alright people, well, that's your first. I'll post this code to the comment section down below and pin it to the top if you would like a... Hey you, yeah, I'm talking to you. If you learned something new, then help me help you. How we can compile all. This video I'm going to show you all how we can compile and run a C program using command prompt. In my text editor, I have a simple C program that will tell you how to download a working directory so that will and that's good. So let's take a look at the C folder again. This is the file that we compiled. It is an executable, and all we have to do is run that. So that is the third step. A.exe, enter. I will file the compile with down below and subscribe. Hope you're doing well, and in this video I'm going to explain both comments and escape sequences in C. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Alright, welcome back. So we have to discuss comments and escape sequences. So a comment is some text that is ignored by the compiler that is used as an explanation, description, or a note for yourself or anyone else reading over your code. So to write a comment, you will type 2/, then anything afterwards is considered a comment and will be ignored by the compiler. This is a comment. Blah. So if I was to run this, this text will be ignored by the compiler, and we do not see that as output. I tend to use a lot of comments when explaining things, so this is something you'll see fairly often in my videos. Now, if you need a multi-line comment, this is only for a single line comment if I was to type this again without those /. this is a comment, well, our program thinks that this is some sort of code. If we need a multi-line comment, you will instead type /**, then anything after is considered a comment. You can see that this is all green now. Anything up to a asterisk and / will be a multi-line comment. This is a multi-line comment. And again, this is ignored by the compiler. So if you need to write a note, description, or explanation, or explain escape sequences and escape. Okay, let's move on to part 2 of this video. We have escape sequences. An escape sequence is a character combination consisting of a back
So I have been talking all this time and my no fucking way, bro. I've been talking all this time explaining things like a fucking dumbass. And all the fucking time it was muted. Huh? I think it's because of my keybinds. I need to change the hotkeys. So, oh my fucking god, bro. Control Shift M. Control Alt M. Apply. That's gonna be okay. Let me test this thing. Control Shift. It works. But I was explaining so much, bro. I just wasted a lot of fucking time explaining things. But we got here. We got to here, and I'm gonna continue. Maybe not on stream, because then I can, like, do actual work instead of like thinking about the stream and thinking how good it needs to be. You know what I'm saying? So yeah.